Hello and welcome again to another reveal of the Papercraft Society box. Today we are looking at box number 10. So this is made by the beautiful Sam Calcott. So Sam has her new brand out, Made to Surprise. So I'm hoping that within this box we have got some fantastic surprises. I'm sure we have. So let's delve in and have a little look at what we can expect to see when you receive your box. So first of all, I love the colours in here, so bright. So we have a colourful life is a happy life, the brighter the better. And that is so true of Sam. She's so bright and colourful and cheerful and bubbly all the time. Now, of course, we're always going to have our booklet here. So this is going to have lots of projects in it. It's going to have step-by-step tutorials in it. As always, I'm not going to go through this right now. I'm going to have a look at that later on by myself, but leave that as a surprise for you. But that's all included, that 32 pages of inspiration. Now, we also have this wallet here. Now, of course, there's always lots more hiding in here. There is an awful lot in there. I'll pop that to the side just for the moment whilst we have a look in this, because I know this is always jam-packed full. So as you can see, they're Made to Surprise by Sam Calcott. So first of all, I can see some dies. There's a lot of dies there actually. So let's look at this bit first of all. It's all in the detail. Add finishing touches with the smaller dies. Of course, a brilliant tip there, because we often neglect our smaller dies, don't we? But saying that, there aren't many small dies here. They're all good sized dies. Now I'm looking at this and I'm thinking actually there's some tags here. There's the word yay. There's quite a few bits here that I'm thinking frames as well, banners, bunting. I'm wondering if we can make any sort of maybe moving or kinetic cards, because we have a die here that has what looks like score lines in it. I'm not sure. Maybe that's going to tell me, I'm sure it will, in the booklet that we've got. So I'll have to have a look at that later. But fantastic. I mean, kinetic cards, that is what really Sam is known for, isn't it? So it'll be great to see what she's teaching us. All these new card shapes we can make, moving parts. We've got some fantastic pattern paper here. Really good quality as well. I love that it's matte and I love that it's smooth. So actually we can stamp on it, we can emboss it, we can absolutely die cut this as well. How bright and fun are these as well? The rainbow colours, you've got confetti in there, stars, beautiful stripes. I love this. It kind of reminds me of a birthday party. We had a birthday party here yesterday, and this would have been absolutely perfect to create some cards and invitations with. So sometimes more is better. Don't be afraid to go crazy with colour. Again, that is so Sam. Let's have a look in here. So we've got some stamps. These are beautiful. Oh, do you know what? Actually, looking at these, so we have a bow here, beautiful bow, and we have the bow die. So let me pull the bow die over and see. Yes, that fits perfectly. So we can cut out our bow die with... cut out our bow stamp with our bow die. We have a bunch of flowers here, and I'm thinking that's what this die is going to cut out. We have the silver wand there, the magic wand as well. So we're going to be able to cut that out. The lollipop, the vase for the flowers. Brilliant. So these are all tallying up with those beautiful dies as well. We've got a couple of background stamps here as well. So we've got stripes and we've got stars. Now they are going to work really well with your backing papers, so you can create your own backgrounds as well. Behind here, actually, we have some cardstock as well. Cardstock or paper, let's see. No, that's cardstock. I'm going to open this up and have a look. I don't actually open these before I do these reveal videos, so it's all a surprise to me as well. So, oh, that is stunning. So we've got some beautiful mirror card there. It actually looks like it's got a touch of holographic in it too, so you can see all those colours. They are beautiful. And that's silver. Do you know what? That doesn't shed. This is glitter card. It's not shedding at all. It's smooth, but it's glitter. That's amazing. I love that. That is top quality glitter card. Love that. Feels like it's, yeah, really good quality GSM too. I'll pop that in behind there. I like to keep these wallets, so I keep everything safe so that I know everything coordinates and it's all kept together. So pop that to the side as well, and let's have a look in here. So let's see. Now, of course, we always have a postcard from the designer, whoever that may be, and Sam's obviously done this one. Create your own rainbow every day. This is all about colour, isn't it? It's all about bright, colourful, bold shapes, really celebrating colour and shape. So we've got on here, colour theory. So when choosing your colour schemes, opposites really do attract. And there's some different examples here of how you can build up colours. That's something I've always struggled with, actually. So that's really handy. I might put that above my desk because I need to know sometimes, well, will this blue work with this orange and such? So that's going to be really helpful. So we have colouring pencils as well. That's interesting. So Sam, I know in the past has done lots of stamping, and the colouring in her images with pencils is something that she does a lot of. So I'm sure she'll have lots of tutorials within that booklet on this. There's a real range of colours there. So we have 12 colouring pencils. I love these. And you know what? I love that they're already sharpened. You haven't got to dig around, try and find a sharpener for them. Brilliant. I can't wait to see what projects we've got using those in that booklet. Sequins, these are fun. Do you know what? These remind me of Sam so much. The bright colours, the sparkles. I love these. And very often when I've bought sequins in the past, they've been one colour. So a whole bag of one colour. So I love that we've got all the colours there. They're going to really add some bling to your projects. We have the Rickrack Ribbon as well, so all the trim. So this is a beautiful bright yellow, and there's actually quite a lot on there. I'll have to measure that, but there is an awful lot on there. We have, lastly, some coordinating cardstock as well. So let's see what colours we've got in here. So we've got our purple, we've got a blue. So there's 5 sheets here. We've got a yellow as well. We've got green, and a red. Everything just works together absolutely beautifully. And you know what? We've not got too much in the way of thin papers either. We've actually got some really good quality cardstock. So I imagine if Sam is showing us how to do her concept cards, her kinetic cards that she's really well known for, and of course Made to Surprise is all about that. I think you're going to have great fun with the sturdy cardstock that you've got in here ready to make the cards, everything to decorate and embellish as well, and all wrapped up in the box together with all your projects. I think this is an absolutely fantastic box to have on your desk and keep coming back to time after time to really create some fun, energetic and exciting cards. Maybe something that you've never tried before. So if you'd love to subscribe to Papercraft Society boxes, you can visit www.papercraftsociety.co.uk for more information.